In this quick video, I will show you how to link Coinbase Pro to Cointracker step by step. So the first step is to go to cointracker.io and click sign in. Then continue with Coinbase, click add wallet, and select Coinbase Pro. So you will gonna need to type down your passphrase, your API key, and your API secret. So go to pro.coinbase.com, log in, and then click here, click API, click new API key, type down your nickname, the API key nickname, for example, Cointracker, and then enable the view permission, copy the passphrase, paste it here, and leave the IP whitelist blank. Then click create API key, and then enter the verification code that was sent to you by Coinbase, and then click add an API key, copy the API secret, go to Cointracker, paste it here, then copy the API key, go to Cointracker, and paste it here, then click add Coinbase Pro, and now you can see the Coinbase Pro account is added, and it may take a few minutes to synchronize this account. And if you have any questions about how to link Coinbase Pro to Cointracker, leave a comment below.